Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get client ID in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're inside your account, you'll typically be redirected to your homepage. From there, move your cursor to the settings icon, click on it to open all the customization and configuration options for your account. Within the settings page, scroll down to the product settings section and locate Connect. Click on Connect. This is Stripe's tool for managing integrations, payments, and connected accounts. Next, select Onboarding Options, which helps you configure how your application interacts with Stripe. Once there, look for the OAuth section and click on it. Here you'll find your live client ID, a unique identifier that allows your application to authenticate and communicate securely with Stripe's API in a live environment. Mine is unavailable because mine profile is not completed. But if your profile is completed, you will see your client ID here. Copy this client ID and store it somewhere safe, as it's an essential part of your app's integration process. And that's it. So that is how you can get client ID in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.